additional shopping during the Christmas season. And with a 7-day shopping spree ahead of us, I'm very excited to find out over 300 Noel Bazaar merchants has in store for the bazaar goers. Indeed, ladies and gentlemen, the most magical start to the holiday season is here.
We have graced the opening of Noel Bazaar 2023 today at Noel's original home in World Trade Center. Noel Bazaar is grateful to have been part of the Christmas shopping tradition of Filipino families since 1998. It is simply a priceless feeling to celebrate the holiday season and be able to give back through the GMA Kapuso Foundation, the Inquirer Foundation, the Noel Gozon Memorial Clinic, the St. Gabriel Parish Scholarship Programs, among others. So mga kapuso, as our favorite slogan goes, nakapag-shopping na kayo, nakatulong pa kayo sa lahat ng beneficiaries ng Noel Bazaar.
Noel Bazaar is not just about shopping. It's also about helping. It's not just about enjoying the season. It's our continuous mission. It's not just retail therapy. It's also about supporting businesses and championing a legacy.
Na ang celebrity ukay-ukay ng GMA Kapuso Foundation dito sa World Trade Center. So may mga damit kami, may mga sapatos kami, and ang very unique sa ukay-ukay ng GMA Kapuso Foundation, you actually get to buy outfits of our stars, our anchors at very, very super affordable prices.
Husband as senior, mostly yung price niya is malaki yung difference niya sa outside compared dito, tsaka talagang good quality talaga.
Yung experience sa loob sobrang overwhelming kasi ang daming talang variety na pwede mong pagpilian. Hindi lang basta more on gadgets, t-shirts and all that, meron din tayong food trip, so sobrang nakaka-enjoy sa loob, pati mga bata instead na mainip, nalilibang na rin at the same time.
Marami kaming napamili, maraming choices. May pang pets, may pang bata, may skincare, madaming food.
There are over 300 merchants here and I do hope you support local business here in Noel Bazaar. So, kita-kits tayo! Tara, shopping tayo together!
Promise ko sa'yo, marami kang ma-enjoy na tignan dito at maraming napakadaming bilihin. At dapat mo nang bilhin because Christmas is coming.
Happy shopping!
Tara na sa Noel Bazaar! Sobrang saya dito!
So as a first-timer here sa Noel Bazaar, I can really say that the organizers are very good. The energy here and the vibe is truly amazing.
Thank you so much, Noel Bazaar, for having us for this year's Bazaar. It's our first time coming here today and we are very happy that the community welcomed us very warmly.
Well, thank you for the organizers of Noel Bazaar because we're almost hitting our goals. We're on our day 2 but we're almost sold out.
Thank you so much Noel Bazaar for giving us this opportunity to introduce our product, Kakacoco. So we are the makers of the coconut ice cream.
Thank you po sa Noel's Bazaar. Sold out na po kami sa 3rd day pa lang po. 2nd day pa lang po, sobrang bawi-bawi na po lahat ng pinuhunan ko po dito. Sobrang sayang experience po. First time ko po mag-bazaar, hindi ko po akalain na ganito po pala experience, hindi po nauubusan ng tao.